Do you know how much these were? I was going to try and buy another one.
Oh, untold. So
How you doing?
Hey son.
How you going? We're trying to load Paperboy.
Paperboy, oh.
Paperboy.
It's loading.
Paperboy!
Yeah. Just recording the sounds, the ambient sounds of
That's alright.
all the chaos. I'm gonna sample that and put that
Okay,
on too.
if you have to. Come on, Paperboy.
I was wondering where that noise was coming from, and then I realized
Yeah.
it was the IBM.
So you can turn it off, but like, if you go to the... I don't know how you...
No, just leave it on. It's
Use the number pad. That's it.
Oh my god, it's taking forever. Paperboy.
Yeah.
Wait.
3 to 5 minutes.
Where's that?
And I think that's pretty much it.
Quite a planetary journey.